Hi all, welcome back. A very good morning. So we are at another expiry again, and it's already July expiry. The year has moved pretty fast, right? Okay. So what do we do here? Over here, we discuss about the India benchmark indices, about how they are performing and how they are going to perform during the day. Also, a couple of scripts at times, and definitely in accordance with the global cues. So, without any further ado, let's quickly jump and take a look into expiry day analysis. Okay, so let me just bring up the Nifty chart for you. Okay, so this is Nifty chart and this is on daily time frame. Okay, so do not get confused with the multiple drawings or lines that's visible for you. This is how it's been from the month of July, as you see, and this is daily chart. You can see these are the lines which it respected continuously, and just like these lines were drawn earlier than July, honestly, and this line still seem to be valid. Even yesterday's support, yesterday's low was around 15,513, and yeah, it still respected that 15,505. That's 8 points away. So, and you can see yesterday's candle. It was a really good candle from which retraced from the downside. And, if the momentum continues, I guess we can see a good short covering today. And also, the banking space, especially ICICI, seems to have performed exceptionally well in the ADR yesterday. So that might be a point to look about. Let me just quickly bring up ICICI ADR. You can see, let's just go through the IDR and see what's. So yeah, it's 0.32% right now, but yesterday's change was around pretty good, I believe, solid. Just quickly see the chart too. Okay. So if you see the chart also, like after yesterday's close, we closed somewhere around at this point, and we went all the way up above to $18.65. So I think that's a good one to check out today. I mean, this would be a good space to stay alert when I say check out. So without any further, let's quickly jump to our analysis. So let me just bring up the 5 minutes time frame for you. So this is 5 minutes chart, and you can see after the huge red candle yesterday and couple of red candles in the first couple of hours in the morning, we actually retraced back pretty well. There were many follow-up green candles which had volumes also. Although there was one good red candle in between around 220, but it was just sort of a retest, and it's back to the new highs in the second half of the day. So that's about how it went yesterday, and what can we look for today. So today I see that our primary support would be 15,600 again. So 15,600 and 15,700. So yesterday's retest was around 15,700. So 15,700 would be the primary support for us, followed by 15,600 and 15,500 levels. So those both levels are key levels to watch out, followed by 15,700. And this sort of heavy put writing happening compared to calls, a drastic increase in the put writing. So I guess we have a good support on the downside, and on this upside similarly we can see that there's a reduction in the call writing that has happened, and once if we cross 15,729, that is this level 15,729 odd, so we can actually retrace back to 15,785 and 15,800 levels. That would be a good point to check, and also breaking that decisively, one small retest around 15,820, 830 level would actually lead us to the higher levels of 15,900, and that is pretty much possible, honestly. And it's nothing like not impossible or something, 150 points, 200 points on Nifty, because yesterday we fell by 250 odd points and then we recovered 210 points odd. So that's been a very good move. So let's just also check about how the open interest is around for Nifty. So if you see, like we just discussed, this is where the major point was there, around 2:20, 12 o'clock in the noon, and then around this is 1:30. You can see how the call writing has come to a very sorry, how the call writing has decreased compared to put writing, and in the last half an hour also we can see that the writers have covered themselves, the call writers, and 15700 call writing dipped aggressively. It fell all the way from 6.5 million to somewhere around 4.7 million. So that's pretty good fall actually, 1.8 million reduction in the volume. So, and put writing actually went up too. So if you see 2.5 million to, it actually went to 3.6 million. So that's another 1 million contracts added on the put side, and that would definitely act as good support if we are staying at above 700 and 700 levels. Probably once we are crossing 15800, these people will shift to 15750 also. So these are some interesting points to note down. And yesterday there was Fed meeting, so that would influence definitely, and it was already shown in the morning impact about how it could turn out. But yeah, let's stay cautious about how the markets are, and definitely on expiry. So that's about Nifty, and let's just quickly take a look on SGX Nifty also, where it is span. So we are trading around 15,790 odd levels. That's approximately 80 odd points from yesterday's close for us. So that's actually a good open, if not anything else. That's about Nifty. Let's quickly jump to Bank Nifty and take a look. Okay, so Bank Nifty also followed similar to Nifty's pattern yesterday. It sort of, it respected our lines completely, our levels. Really, I don't know, astonished, I should say, about how things are going with our drawings. So yeah, we had a pretty big red candles in the first 1 hour, then followed by a good retracement towards upside. We are currently trading above 34,500 level. That's a good sign, honestly, but we have immediate resistance around 34,650. That's just like 120 points away. And so yeah, once we break that, and we might actually retest yesterday's high or yesterday's open to actually head higher. So that's about how we could actually go in Bank Nifty also. So we'll just check out the Bank Nifty open interest too. So place with Bank Nifty, we'll just check it out. Premiums are seem to be pretty low. We'll just come to the premium part. So you can see that it's a quick and heavy dip in the call writing that has happened. Almost 1 million contracts shredded. So just a minute, it's loading again. Okay, so you can see that the put writing is still stagnant, not much movement, and call writing although did decrease a lot. So you can see that how the things are panning. And, it was slightly a bullish sign yesterday's evening, and that's how it fueled the SGX also. And I guess we can look forward for a very eventful day today. So that's about Bank Nifty also, and Nifty. So well for us, and there are a couple of good results today that's on the plate. So you need to stay cautious if you're having positions in those particular scripts. So that would be Tech Mahindra, TVS, quite many actually. Container Corp, and Colgate, Indus Tower, LIC, Housing Finance, Deepak Nitrate, TVS Motors, Tech Mahindra. Yeah, quite some results today, and for an eventful day we can look forward. So yeah, if there's anything else, I'll keep you posted. Stay connected. If you have any questions, the social media handles are pretty much open, and you can always comment in the video below, in the comment section of the video. So yeah, also in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go hit the subscribe button, like and comment, and show some feedback, I would say. Yeah, feedback, and also some love. So that's about how the video is for today. Thank you, have a good day, and have a good trading day.